Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the USB-C type headphones that you have plugged in. If they're not connected, simply just disconnect your cable right now, and then go to the top right and go to settings on your phone. So scroll on down to the bottom. So I'm using a Samsung phone. It's going to be a little bit different if you're on Motorola or Google Pixel. But we want to go to About Phone right here. And then you might be able to find build number under this section, but on my phone, I need to go to software information. And then I can find build number and tap on this 5 times. And you're going to unlock the developer options, and then we can back out. And I can find it right here. Now what we can do is just simply go up to search, and we're looking for like USB audio routing. So USB audio. And we should be able to find it under developer options if we just search for it. And then we can tap it. And it'll scroll automatically to it. Now when we have this open, we can just go to this and we can just hit this option right here. Disable automatic routing to USB audio peripherals. We could try enabling this or disabling it depending on if we have it already enabled. So just check out the setting right here. This could be causing the issues on your device. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.